Hey, before we get to the main content, like and if you have not done so, subscribe. Play Games for Dollars is a channel where you get tips on games that pay. In the description, there are links to start a moderate income, so click at least one of them and start playing the games. Welcome. Today we will be working with the Mistplay app. We're going to install a game. This game called Take Off Boats Screw Puzzle. It has a unit of 1. So when you reach to different checkpoints, it'll be approximately 20 points you'll get in Mistplay. When you get enough points, you can redeem it into gift cards. But in order to do that, sign up for it in the link. The link is there. All right, so what it says here, Take Off the Boat Screw Puzzle is a free screw puzzle game suitable for players of all ages. This engaging game is designed not only to challenge your problem-solving abilities, but also to provide you with an exciting puzzle adventure that won't put you down. Choose a boat and tap to move it to make it all metal plate 4. Blah, 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 blah. So in Mistplay, you got up to checkpoint 20. Once you reach checkpoint 20, just delete the game and try another one to get more points. So here, let me install this game. So if you have not done so, please like and subscribe. And most of all, sign up for Mistplay. Install. All right, loading up. Accept and play. I'm gonna use this, what it does? Oh, a bomb. I got couple of free options at the bottom. I had 2 screws that I could unscrew, 1 bomb and 1 repeat or reverse back to the way it was. Oh, this is difficult. So, we got about 6 holes, empty holes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's try. Oh, I did that one wrong. Let me put that back. And I got a time constraint. I got only like less than 2 minutes almost. Oh. Okay. Let's get rid of the top one. Let's get rid of the middle one. All right, slide. Come on. All right. I should be in the meantime accumulating points for Mistplay. All right, so I do reach my checkpoint 2. I get 20 points. I just cleared mine out, so I'm starting anew. So I only got 105. But there are other options along playing with this game. You play other games. But the main one, take off both. So use the link. See you in the next video. Thank you.